Hi everyone, Brent from AutoIndustriya, and we are here in the heart of Banawe, Quezon City at the new Motul Flagship. Let's go check what's inside. They offer a full range of automotive services including PMS, lube services, mechanical work, under chassis service, wheel alignment, wheel mounting and balancing, auto detailing, vehicle wrap, window tint, dyno testing and tuning for cars and motorcycles. Aside from the basic automotive services, Motul Flagship also houses the specialist workshop right here, where they have a full range of machinery for engine reconditioning, modification, and rebuilding. Also with their machinery, they can do parts fabrication and race car preparation. Right beside the specialist workshop is the dyno where you can test and tune your cars. And pretty soon, their motorcycle dyno will be operational for testing and tuning of motorcycles as well. Thank you. That was fast. So there you have it. Service is done. If you'd like to check out Motul Flagship for yourself, visit them at 26 Cabignayan Street near corner Banawe, Quezon City. For everything and anything Motul for your car or motorcycle. This is Brent of AutoIndustriya.com. Thank you for watching.